Hi guys, today I received this silicone foot warmer for reading purposes, as you can see. So let's take it out of the box. It comes in this really nice travel bag that I'm gonna open right now. With the instruction manuals, as you can see, and it has these Velcro straps, so it stays rounded when you're gonna storage it, which I think it's a really nice option. And here we have the power cord, as you can see. And it comes protected with this plastic, okay? This is a screen. So right now I'm just gonna plug it in. It has the electric port on this side. It even comes included with some disposable knife, forks, and spoons, which I think it's really nice. To turn it on, you just press this button. And we can set the temperature like this. It has many different temperature adjustments. And we can also set a timer, which I think it's really nice. Obviously, you have the lock function, so you can lock it for any kids, so they don't get hurt and I don't change the settings, which I think it's a really nice function. As you can see, once that we have placed the lock, it won't change any of the settings, and we can just unlock it once again by long pressing it. On this part we have some safety labels, which I think it's perfect. Now we're gonna test it out with some pizza. We're gonna place it in, and as you can see, it's already set to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's wait. Some features that I find quite nice about this foot warmer mat is that it's really easy to clean and it's really portable, so you can take it anywhere with you. Now it's ready, so let's just go and enjoy it. And overall, I like it a lot. I think it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.